Welcome back to Max class, Standard 6th, Term 2, Unit 4, Triangles. In the previous video, we have seen what is a triangle and what are the basic elements of a triangle and the important property of a triangle, isn't it? Now, let us see the types of triangle. In this types, based on sides of triangles, we can classify the triangles into three types based on sides. They are scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle. In the same way, based on angles of triangles, we can classify triangles into three types. They are acute angled triangle, right angled triangle, and obtuse angled triangle. So let us see what are the types of what are the triangles. First one is scalene triangle. So scalene triangle means if three sides of a triangle are different in lengths, then it is called scalene triangle. That means ஒரு triangle three sides இருக்கும். அந்த three sides ஓட lengthம் different இருந்தா three sides வந்து வேற வேறையா இருந்துச்சுன்னு சொன்னா the triangle is called scalene triangle. If the three sides of a triangle are different, that is called scalene triangle. Here is an example. See the first one. Here we have 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 6 centimeters. Three sides are different. Here also 4 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 10 centimeter. So this is called scalene triangle. If the three sides of a triangle are different, they are called scalene triangle. Next one is isosceles triangle. So what is an isosceles triangle? If any two sides of a triangle are equal in length, then it is called an isosceles triangle. If any two sides of a triangle are equal in length, then it is called an isosceles triangle. That means ஒரு triangle two sides ஓட length வந்து equal இருந்தா that triangle is called isosceles triangle. See this example. In this triangle we have the two sides are 5 centimeter, third side is 4 centimeter. Here also these two sides are 7 centimeter and this is 13 centimeter. Here 8 and 8 and this is 11. So two sides are equal means they are called isosceles triangle. The third one is equilateral triangle. So what is an equilateral triangle? If three sides of a triangle are equal in length, then it is called an equilateral triangle. That means ஒரு triangle ஓட three sides மே equal இருந்ததுன்னா that triangle is called equilateral triangle. See these examples. In the three sides we have 6 centimeter. Here the three sides we have 2.5 centimeter. Here we have three sides 4 centimeters. So this is called an equilateral triangle. So based on sides we can classify into three. They are scalene triangle, isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. Now let us see based on angles. What are the triangles? The first one is acute angled triangle. So acute angled triangle means if three angles of a triangle are acute angles, that means between 0 degree and 90 degree, then it is called an acute angled triangle. For a triangle, three angles irukku. We know, isn't it? So on the angles, three angles may 0 degree lende 90 degree ku உள்ளாடி இருந்துச்சுன்னு சொன்னா the triangle is called acute angled triangle. See the example. Acute angled triangle. Here we have three angles. The three angles are less than 90 degrees. 0 length 90 degree ku ulladi da irukum. So the three angles are called acute angles. Next one is right angled triangle. So right angled triangle means if an angle of a triangle is right angle na, that is 90 degree. If any one of the angle in a triangle is 90 degree, then it is called a right angled triangle. ஒரு triangle ஏதாவது ஒரு angle 90 degree இருந்துச்சுனாலும் அந்த triangle we can say right angled triangle. See this example. Here we have three examples. Here we have 90 degree and the remaining 40 and 50. Here is a 90 degree. 90 degree we have to mark like this only. Like a small square we have to mark. Always you have to remember this. When you are marking 90 degree, you have to mark like a small square. Here also we have 90 degree. The remaining angles are 60 and 30. The next one is obtuse angled triangle. So obtuse angled triangle means if an angle of a triangle is an obtuse angle means between 90 degree and 180 degree, then it is called an obtuse angled triangle. அதாவது ஒரு triangleல ஏதாவது ஒரு angle 90க்கு மேல இருக்கணும் but 180க்கு உள்ளாடி 90 to 180க்கு உள்ளாடி இருந்துச்சுன்னு சொன்னா the triangle is called obtuse angled triangle. Here we have an example, obtuse angled triangle. We have 110 degree, that means 90 க்கும் 180 க்கும் இடையில இருக்குது. And we have 120 degree, this is 110 degree. Okay, so these are the examples for obtuse angled triangle. See this page number 61, try this. Kindly take your book and mark down in your notebook, children. Complete the following table. In any triangle, the first one is the three sides are given and the types of triangle we have to write it. The first one is 6 cm, 7 cm, 8 cm. Three sides are different. So it is called scalene triangle. This is called scalene triangle. Second one 5 cm, 5 cm, 5 cm. Three sides are same in length. That means they are equal. So it is called equilateral triangle. Please write it in your book. And the third one is 2.2 cm, 2.5 cm, 3.2 centimeters. They are different. So it is called scalene triangle. Next one is 7 cm, 7 cm, 10 cm. Here we have two sides are equal. If the two sides are equal, we can say the triangle as isosceles triangle. The triangle is called isosceles triangle. Write it in your book without mistake, girls. And next one is 10 cm, 10 cm and 10 cm. And the three sides are equal. So we can write it equilateral triangle. 10 cm, 8 cm, 8 cm. Two sides are equal. So how can we write it? It is called isosceles triangle. See the next one. Try this. Page number 62. Complete the table. Here they have given the three angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C. Then we have to find out the sum of three angles. Can a triangle ABC be formed? Triangle வந்து form பண்ண முடியுமா முடியாதான்னு சொல்லணும். And the last column we have to write type of triangle. See the first one, they have given 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. If you add the three angles, you will get 180 degree. So sum of the three angles 180 degree இருந்துச்சுன்னு சொன்னா we can form a triangle. So yes. So the three angles பாத்தீங்கன்னா they are less than 90 degree. So they are called, that is called acute angled triangle. Do you understand, children? Coming to the second one, just you can find out the answer and write it. 50 degree, 40 degree, 90 degree. Three angles add panningana, you will get 180 degree. Here we have one of the angle is 90 degree. That means right angle. So we can write the type as right angled triangle. Next one is 60 degree, 30 degree, 90 degree. Here also you can add the three angles 180 degree and we can form a triangle. So we can write yes. Here also we have 190 degree. So it is also called right angled triangle. See the fourth one, 95 degree, 40 degree, 35 degree. So if you add the three angles, we will get 170 degree. So 170 degree vanduchinu sonna, we cannot form a triangle. So it is no and we can leave this column. Coming to the fifth one, 110 degree, 40 degree, 30 degree. Add the three angles, we will get 180 degree. So we can form a triangle, yes. Here you can see the angles. Here one of the angle is 110 degree. 110 means more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. That is an obtuse angle. So one of the angle is obtuse angle, so that the triangle is called obtuse angled triangle. The triangle is called obtuse angled triangle. Coming to the last one, 150 degree, 60 degree and 70 degree. So if you add the three angles, we will get 280 degree. Is it possible to form a triangle, children? No, we cannot form a triangle. So kindly write it in your notebook, children. Hope you have followed my instructions and the class. Thank you, children. We will see in the next video. Thank you.